Once, in the heart of a small and peaceful home, there was a lush garden, famous for its beautiful flowers. This garden, like a jewel, shone brightly within the home, capturing the attention of anyone who saw it with its colorful blossoms and delightful fragrance. Different kinds of flowers grew there, each with its own unique shape and color, but together they created a magical and harmonious scene. Every spring, when the ground warmed and became ready, the garden would quickly come to life. The first delicate petals would emerge from the soil, filling the fresh morning air with wonderful scents. Birds would fly around the garden, adding to the joy of the flowers with their songs. Each branch, each leaf, and each bloom symbolized hope and new life. The flowers in the garden knew well that their beauty and vitality depended on the love and care of the gardener. Every day, the gardener carefully watered them, pulled out the weeds, and took great care of the soil and plants. He understood that each flower needed specific conditions to grow to its fullest potential. Among the flowers, there was no competition. Each flower shone in its own place and respected the presence of the others. A red rose with its beauty and sweet scent, a tall sunflower reaching closer to the sky, and a small violet with its humility and softness, bringing peace to the others. Together, they turned the garden into a beautiful paradise. But the garden wasn't only beautiful in spring and summer. Even in autumn, with the falling leaves and the cool breeze, some flowers continued to bravely live on, keeping the garden alive. They knew that each season had its own beauty, and they adapted to the changes in nature. The story of this garden was one of love, hope, and patience. A garden that, through the gentle hands of the gardener and the efforts of the flowers, remained vibrant and beautiful at all times. It reminded everyone that true beauty comes from within, from love, care, and the harmony between nature and humanity.
چون مجبورین از اطراف فشار بدیم که در ریشه آسیب نرسه.
خب اینم کاشته شد. اینم بذاریم اون بر. خاک ما هنوز مانده. باید یکی دیگه هم بکاریم.